Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Charu's Knitting. Today I will show you how to knit leaves pattern of jute yarn using 5mm crochet. You can use it to make wall hanging any types of. Make a knot this way. Then make 25 chains. After making 25 chain, you need to make more 3 chains and skip those 3 chains. Into the 25th chain you make a treble crochet and then take 7 loops all together. Take 3 loops all together at the end of this row. Then turn it and take 7 loops again and stitch them 2 loops together, and at the end of this row take 3 loops all together. Then skip 4 chain. At the 5th chain a slip stitch, into this same chain 3 chain and make a double crochet into the same chain and repeat the process for 5 times. Now there are 5 leaves in a row. I'm almost done. Look, the leaves pattern is ready. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this.